Located in Prime District 9, over $400 per square feet lower than the surrounding projects, 3 elite schools within the 1 kilometer radius, and proximity to Newton MRT. Hi everyone, my name is Jason, and today we are in Newton. I'm currently standing right in front of this amazing Newlaunch project that I think will be the next sold out blockbuster. Let's go! And right now, as you can see, this is where this Newlaunch will be built on. And as I mentioned earlier, this Newlaunch project is located in Newton. And Newton is famous for one thing. What is the one thing that comes across your mind when people talk about Newton? Newton Food Centre, am I right? In fact, Newton Food Centre is located conveniently just right across of here. And Newton Food Centre is famous for its local delicacies that even the movie Crazy Rich Asian has seen its film in it.
Each of these hawker stores sells pretty much one dish, and they've been perfecting it for generations. You know, this is one of the only places in the world where street food vendors actually earn Michelin stars. Uncle.
Newton, not only famous for its food centre, it is also very conveniently located. And if you look right across to that side, that is actually Newton MRT. Newton MRT serves 2 lines, the North-South line and the Downtown line. These 2 lines will get you to Orchard in just 1 MRT stops and Novena in 1 MRT stop as well. And if you are someone who works in the CBD, you can get to CBD in just under 15 minutes. For parents with kids out there, this is a project that I highly recommend you to consider. And why do I say so? As I mentioned earlier, this project is surrounded by a few prestigious schools within a 1 kilometer radius, some of which are St. Joseph Institute, ACS Barco, ACS Primary School. Well, enough with all the hype. I think it's time for me to tell you guys what the name of this project is. It's in fact Koparatnewton. Koparatnewton sits on 125,000 square feet of land, and it is perhaps one of the biggest land plot in this vicinity. Koparatnewton consists of 2 blocks of 23 story with a total of 378 units ranging from 1 to 5 bedrooms. Of this 125,000 square feet of land, 70% of which is allocated to amenities. The block itself occupies just about 30%, giving its residents more common area where they get to enjoy its abundance of amenities. And now come the most important factors of all, the price. I'm sure a lot of you will be wondering what the price is, right? Well, I'll show you this will be the most amazing thing that you'll be hearing today, because Koparatnewton will be launching at a price that is way below the rest of the new launches in the whole of District 9. At only $2,100 per square feet. And for you people out there who want to upgrade from a HDB, this is your opportunity right now. An opportunity to not only own a condo, but a condo in District 9. And also for investors out there who are looking for investment opportunity, this is a great chance for you as well. At an entry price that is this low, you will be able to enjoy a great rental yield. So this is Koparatnewton for you, and I truly believe that this is an amazing new launch that no one should miss. My name is Jason, and if you're interested in this new launch, do give me a call and I'll be happy to show you this place and tell you more about it. I hope to see you.